Hello, welcome to my channel Live, Laugh, Love Ankita Vlogs. Hope you like my Friday's vlog. Here I'm putting the vlog for the Saturday and Sunday, sharing the memories how we spent our this last weekend. So this is a Saturday morning with our favorite breakfast poha and we are enjoying some family time. This was kind of a brunch because everybody woke up very late because we came late from on Friday and we slept longer, and it's kind of a brunch I would say.
I know.
I love this, so I try to capture.
Oh, much.
Beautiful. Here girls are celebrating their gold medal which they received from SOS for a longer time. With excellence. Here we went to Jasmine Lee's home to celebrate Tori's 60th birthday, which is coming up on November 14th. It was a pre-celebration.
Of anything, even though you failed.
Whatever you said.
अरे आराम से पीछे रहो, पीछे पीछे के कपड़े. Yeah.
ये मैं हूँ, ये मेरा परिवार है और यहाँ पे पार्टी हो रही है.
After spending another spiritual fun evening on Saturday, came home, and this is the Sunday morning. We try to go to temple on Sundays. Some Sundays we go, some Sundays if we are not able to go, it's fine. But yeah, so this Sunday we went to temple, Sai temple, and then we went for some shopping, finding new furniture for home. And it took us a lot of time, but we do got something which I'll share soon. So yeah, it was a long Sunday because it took a lot of time to find out for a new home. But girls were so cooperative, they waited so long, and I'm so thankful for them. We came home, but she was practicing Krista, and yeah, just regular Sunday evening. I'm finishing some work, and yeah, it was a wonderful weekend. It was busy for good, but very light. We've meditated, and I love that how we spent this weekend. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thank you.